What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I was finally influenced. These ads pop up all the time. You always want to check them out after a while, right? You finally are just like, I'm going to try it out. Finally, don't worry about this cap. This just happened, by the way. I just dropped the damn thing. You know, my sausage fingers dropped it all. So this Rubbit foam, I don't know, man. The logo, the name, the everything kind of just caught me. You know, I'm big into waterless, rinseless, and whatnot. Touchless washes. I'm all into that stuff. So anything that has to do with that, it piques my interest. I'm not super happy with the foam type of this type of product. So this is going to be hit or miss. I've tried Ammo Frothy. I've tried the Fusion. I've tried a bunch of other products just like this, and you know, I'll do some more videos on this. It's just not something I love, but you know, they tout a good game. They tout a good game. So real quick, we're just gonna do some fast passes on this. The car's not completely filthy. Again, like I say in many videos, I would never want to do this on an absolutely filthy car, but the car is not clean. The car is definitely not clean. It would be, as far as I'm concerned, the level of soiled that I would feel comfortable doing this on. It was caught into a very, very light rainstorm. So it is what it is. So it's not like terrible. What is that? That's a bug, dude. That's a bug. If I got 100,000 views, next bug I find, I'll eat. For now, down there. So yeah, if you can, I don't even know if you can tell, but there is water spotting and stuff. It'll come off. Per the instructions, they tell you on the back of this bad boy here to mix 40 to 48 ounces of water, which I had in there, with 5 capfuls of this product. My cap broke, but it says 1.5 ounces. I'm gonna give this bad boy a pump it up, and then I'm gonna spray this like they say, and I'm going to wipe it off. Again, I'm going to probably be annoyed and pissed off all at the same time because of the foam, but maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. I doubt it, but we don't know until we try, and here we go. We're going to try. Last time I tried some of these types of products, this thing let off an ungodly bukake eruption, and I'm almost 100% certain that that's what's going to happen. I need to give off the elephant in the room. This is their older bottle. This is pretty much identical to what the Ammo Frothy bottle was when they sold their kits. I don't love this bottle, but they do have a new bottle, like an electric version, kind of like the IK bottle. If I can get my hands on that bottle, I'll do like a comparison of those bottles, but this bad boy is primed and ready to go. I'm gonna make a giant goddamn mess, so be it. I'm gonna do this panel, and just that. I'm probably gonna end up doing the hood, and I might do 1 or 2 of the doors, and I'll finish the car off camera, and I'll let you know. That's how the testing goes, okay? Driver's side, little demo, little Debbie's, and then we keep it moving, keep it truck-a-luckin'. This is gonna make a giant mess, all in the name of science. I love you guys. Please don't suck. Oh boy. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is this spray bottle? What is this absolute shit? I just sprayed this son of a bitch bukake, like I said, dude. Oh my fuck, dude. Yo, this is disgusting. I'm telling you, I genuinely hate messy shit. Alright. Oh, fuck this! This is cum splooging all over the place. It says 10 seconds. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Splooge! I hear it. Oh, it's going on. It's plopping and fizzing. Shit. Shitting and fizzing and pissing and fizzing and cum bukakeing. God damn it. The one thing I didn't want to do, and I'm such an asshole idiot, I should have never sprayed it right above this dirty ass Brembo balls. Brembo balls and dirt, grime, scum. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Let's just get into that goddamn crevice. How you doing? How you doing? You just hanging out in there? Doing a whole lot of nothing, and I can't get you out. I knew this was going to end up being like this. Oh, that's fucked up. Got it out. Got it out. It does come off decent. I mean, it did wipe a lot of stuff off. I'm gonna go over this like I normally would. Look at that load. What is this? What is this? What is it? I'm gonna go over this with my Shine Supply, my Eco, now that I wiped up everything. So the paint feels good, but again, that could just be a mixture of the cox knots that came out of that container paired with the fact that I decided to wipe it off again with this. I'm gonna have to go over the hood, and I mean, as you can tell, I was soiled here and there is nothing. It did clean it. It did clean it. But then you gotta wonder, at what cost? Because now I gotta take a microfiber cloth and can I keep it 100 like you cool kids say? One of the biggest mods, the first mod, don't even think about even putting tents on your car first. You get yourself something with these Brembo brakes on this damn Mopar, for the love of Christ above, the savior of you, dude, just get power stop pads. Oh my God, it's just so obnoxious. I'm not gonna lie. I genuinely don't want to spray this hood, but I have to. Because, I mean, I wiped the wheel off, right? So I already did the damage. So I'm gonna have to bukake this hole. Oh man. Alright, the hood's cool to the touch. You don't ever do this to a Mopar hood. Now listen, my experience with this does not mean do not buy this. I like the smell of the product. It obviously works. It works, okay? It's cleaning. So, you know, I mean, I don't hate the cleaning ability. I just hate the bukakeing thing. Like, what the fuck? What is with this damn thing? No way. I'm done with this. No shot, dude. No shot. That thing's going right in the garbage. Did I tell you that? Did I say that before this video started, that I had an issue with that in the past? Well, my issues continue. So we're going to old reliable here. Because that's bullshit. Look at this. Cock snot all over the place. I wonder if this is going to do it too. Maybe it's just this piece of shit. Holy fuck. Oh my God. Okay. Alright. This thing, absolute dog shit. Maybe my experience, let me get this off this panel here. This panel's clean, right? Maybe it was just my experience with, oh no! No! Cut it out! No! I'm so frothy right now. Everything is so frothy. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. It smells really good though. Did I tell you that? I might have told you that. It actually genuinely smells good. Which is a problem because I want to hate the product, but I can't at the moment. When it comes to wiping these products off, I don't mind saturating panels. Oh man. I mean, it's hard to hate this product, especially now, right? Like, this other sprayer might be why the product doesn't suck now. Okay, so it doesn't suck. It bukakes, but it doesn't suck. Do I love this product? I wouldn't say love it, but it's working. I mean, I think this is one of those products, like, as you use it, it'll start getting more clear the techniques that you need to employ to use it. I think this is absolute dog shit, right? That's first and foremost. This is terrible. The product itself, the dilution ratio, the foam, I'll be honest, isn't as bad as I would think. I think I gotta just maybe spray a little bit less on there, do a nice thin coat and try to catch it before it gets too messy. But I guess that's the point. I mean, it's engulfing the dirt and it's doing what it's got to do, right? So that's definitely part of the point here, part of the charm, part of the allure of this product. But I think if you're spraying it with the right sprayer, you're catching it quick, and then you're going over it and you're wiping everything off with the correct like detail spray or waterless wash, I genuinely think that this might be a good product. So, whoa, that's some freaking OnlyFans type stuff right there, dude. So definitely, in my opinion, this is trash. This is obviously, you know, if you know, you know, this thing is awesome. But I do... What are you doing, buddy? Get out of here. It's like a freaking post-coitus situation. I'm going to try to get a hold of their e-foamer. It's hard to say whether or not a product is favorable to me or not based on one thing, but I think as soon as I switched from that sprayer to the other one, the coating, the actual everything is much better. So what's my final assessment, I guess, of this? It works. It does. It's messy. I would say my feelings about this product are going to stay consistent over the course of this type of product, that it's cool. It's going to be like a niche market where I guess if you are in the mood or can or don't have a problem with making a mess to clean, like things have to get worse before they get better, whatever that type of mentality, then I would say, yeah, go for it. This could be pretty cool. I think I liked it a little bit more than Ammo Frothy, oddly enough, which was kind of funny. But it definitely cleaned the vehicle. It was a little bit messy. Switching the sprayer for sure is a 100% certainty that needs to happen. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about the situation. You have to do that. So yeah, I would say with the correct sprayer, catching it the right way, learning the technique, you can absolutely use this as an option. I think rinseless wash is definitely a good solution to not have to do this. And obviously the 2-bucket wash method is the goated method. That's the one you want to go to. But if you're in a pinch, if you're in a pickle and you have a bunch of rinseless washes, you've used a bunch of rinseless washes, you're bored, you got money burning a hole in your pocket, and you want to try this product, then yeah, I'd say give it a shot. Just why not? Live a little bit, experience things. You might love it, you might hate it. You might be a big fan of bukake and OnlyFans, and you live in that dark web type of life, and this is totally for you. And, you know, bukake it up. Jisms for everybody, you know. It's up to you. Everybody's different. Different strokes for different folks. Bukake. So if you are into this, go for it. I think it works. It definitely didn't add any scratches. There's probably no way. It just surfactant and disinfectant and, you know, probably biodegradable and cum guzzly able too. I don't know, whatever it is. But anyway, it's hot out. I leave for vacation tomorrow morning. So this was fun experimenting. I love you all. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. Try it. Let me know down below if you have tried it. And if you do end up trying it, let me know if you loved it or hated it. I'm curious. Everybody has a different opinion. But anyway, I love you all. And I got a million other products to test still. For better or worse, we're going to get through this giant pile. I'll see you guys on the next one.